No more tangled HDMI cables. No more hunting for the right port. With OVTV, your cameras connect directly through the app. Our Android Smart TV app for intelligent video management, now available on Google Store. Everything you need to see, control, and manage is already built in. This is surveillance made simple. Total visibility without the wires. ACE. Monitoring a busy site shouldn't mean wading through a wall of cameras to find the one feed you need. OVTV solves that with instant layout switching. Go from a single focused view to 4 key areas to a full 9-grid wall, whatever the moment calls for. Pick the channels that matter, hide the rest, and get the visibility you need without the clutter. You're not just watching, you're in command. For wide open areas, your PTZ camera gives you the reach you need. Zoom in to spot incidents as they happen and don't miss a thing. If your camera supports two-way talk, you can interact directly through the controls. And from the side menu, it's just as simple. One press to trigger the deterrence light, sound the alarm, or turn on a normal light. Need a snapshot? Capture it and save it to local storage or an SD card, whichever you prefer. The Playback section makes finding what you need effortless, working just like the apps you already know, like YouTube. No more hunting for specific moments. Just scrub to the event, cut a clip if you need to, and save it the same easy way as your snapshots. This is OVTV, surveillance made simpler, centralized, wireless, and built to just work.